Everything is fine now, guys. Come on, let me know that. Come on, guys.
Yes,
Yes,
Okay, okay.
no problem.
So based on that, what is that? We will select the data, right? Based on that character only, we will select the data. Okay. So this is the our requirement is now. Okay, guys. So what is that? And a greater than, we will select the greater than also in the and operator, right? So here, what is that? Come here. By ID, right? Student based on that ID we taken, right? Here, what is that? Student ID we are taking, right? Now, after then, what we will take now? Greater than. Let's take the greater than. Okay, greater than. Let's take the greater than operator, right? Greater than operator. Now come here, paste it here, paste it here. Okay, after then what is that? And operator. Take the and operator also, right? And operator. Copy this one, paste it. And operator now, and operator now. Good. After then what we will to take now? Based on that name, right? Based on that name only, right? What is that? Come here, okay? Based on that name, what is that? Student name, okay? Like operator we will select. We will take the like operator also, right? Student name, right? Student name. Okay, good. Now, okay. So after then, what is that? Not like. Okay, not like. Whatever character we will take, that matching character data we will not get. Okay, this is our requirement now. Okay, so what is that? Like operator? Where the like? Not like. Take the not like. Okay, competition. Matching record we will not get. Okay, based on that night not like operator. Okay, so okay, good. So now another one is what? So, okay, this is the our method now. It will take two argument, guys. Okay, it will take two arguments. First one is what? First one is what? It will take now integer, right? Integer ID. Integer ID. Now another one is what? Another one is what?
string name.
String.
String.
String pattern. String pattern. Okay, this is the argument now. Okay, it will take return list of what is that? List of what? Student. Good. Repo dot what? Find by what is that? Std id greater than this one, right? Okay, so good. So here what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm going to take what is that? This is the record, right? From here onward, 101, right? 101 record I want to take. What is that 101? And what is that pattern we will take, right? What is that first? What will be for each condition? One pattern. Let's take what is that pattern will be S, right? S multiple record is there, right? Nah, Sudhir. This Sudhir and Samita record I don't want. Except that if whatever matching record will be there, those record I want, right? So good. So here what we will take is string, right? A string. After that, what we will take now, guys? Like operator we are taking, right? So we are going to take S percent.
S%.
Percent, right? After then, what is that? For each condition. Good. Now let's run the application. Amrani only we are getting, right? Why we are getting Amrani only? Why we are getting the Amrani only, guys? Anyone know?
Yeah, after that null is there, right?
Yes.
After
Greater than, right? After then all record is there null. Okay. So what we are taking now here? 104, right? But greater than we are taking HTML, right? HTML greater than, if greater than equal to we will select, then Oracle data also we will get it. And what is that after, then what is that S, except that S record we are getting, right? S, except that S record. If we want, so because of that we are getting what? Only one record now. Now fine now guys.
Yes.
Okay, guys. So good. So another one is what? Let's perform the another operation. One more things is there, right? One more thing. Let's select it. What is that? End with, start with. Okay, end with there and start with is there, right, guys? End with is there and what is that? Start with. Come on, guys. End with and what? Start with is there, na? Come on. Give the response, guys.
Yes.
Yes, Ravi. Yes.
Yes. Actually,
Yes, Ravi.
if you people feel bored, then I will stop it these things. Okay, let's move on and the next level is I want to touch what is that. See, all operators I want to cover it. Okay, because of that I'm explaining. Otherwise, what is that? One syntax I explain. Now based on that we can make it, but end with and what is that? Start with these people. You people will not understand if I not getting response to the proper. Only one or two people. What about Sudhir? Sudhir, you are feeling you are vaccinated today, I think.
No, Ravi, I am keep on replying. I'm replying for everything. I'm listening.
Because after vaccination only people will feel lazy.
No, Ravi, I am shouting here always.
Okay, good. Okay, guys. So okay, let's understand what is that end with is there now. End with and what is that start with. Okay, start with and end with. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, Ravi, correct.
Just I'm thinking which SQL query I can take it for end with and start with.
It's like
Ending
like
with letter. Ending with
Yes. Later only like operator. Just
Only later.
I'm preparing syntax is a SQL query because if I prepare the SQL query, then you people will understand easily, right? Okay, guys. So okay. So just what we will take. Okay. So end with and start with. What is that? Padma is there, right? If we are taking the Padma, right? P letter first. What is that? End with. What is that? If I'm taking the A letter, right? A letter. So what is that? Our data GPE will what? Scan where the end letter is what? A. Before whatever data is there, no worry about that, right? A means what is that? If we take the like operator, in the like operator, what is that? If we take end with, right? So end with A if we are taking, so how many record we will get now, guys? Samita, because last letter is yes, right? And end with what is it? Padma also what? A only. So we will get what? 2 record,
And
right?
with a
2 record because
yes.
for that what we are taking now end with and what is that start with. So let's first take the end with. Okay, let's take first one is what? End with now, guys. Okay, so come here. Okay, good. So here what I'm going to take now, guys. So see this. So what? Find by what is that? Find by
STD name.
find by STD name. Okay, good. good.
अब वो उसने वो ठोक बीट के नहीं लगाया था जो लीरी लेने गए वो
कौन एलईडी लेने
फिर अब
गया?
आधा अधूरा काम यूं नहीं कि अब एक के बाद एक सारा काम हो गया
कौन सारा काम कर दिया मैं?
हाँ पीछे पट्टी पीछे लगाएंगे पट्टी
अरे मयंक
Mayank,
मयंक
he completely Fajr.
अरे मैं एलईडी बाल में लगाना
पूरी बात
भाई।
तो समझ में तो आती नहीं, तेरा दिमाग तो चलता नहीं है। दिमाग चले तो बस एक
एलईडी वगैरह अपना घर पे बाद में लगाना, या तो सेशन छोड़ दो भाई, उसके बाद एलईडी लगा लो, फिर आना सेशन में, ठीक है।
Yes, Ravi. Please carry on.
Yeah, good. So because like operator we are going to perform based on that what string only, right? Means this data type we will take now, guys. Okay, so good. So based on that, what is that? Find by name. Okay, good. So find by name. Okay, so after that, what we will take now? End with, right? End with. Let's take end with now. Good. So here what? End with. Okay, good. So here what we will take string input. Okay, string input. We will take what? String. String. What is that? String input. Input, right? This is the method. Okay, it will return what is that? List now. Okay, it will return what? List. Okay, good. So what is that? Student. It will take what? Student now. Okay, good. So come here now, come here. Okay, so now comment it. Now comment it. Now what we will do now, guys? Repo. Find by what? Find by std name, right? Std name end with, right?
std name.
Yes. End with what? Just let's take what is that end with now, guys. End with. Okay, first what is that? For each system. Print ln, right? Now what we will take it now, guys? Okay, so end with means what? End with what? R, right? No, sorry, A. Just let's take the database A, right? End with what? A. A. Okay, so now run the application.
Before percentile.
Sorry.
Percentile A.
No, here no need to take percentile. Okay, in this case, no need to take percentile. Dynamically, our query will generate it now.
Okay, okay.
In this case, no need to take what? Percentile. See this, we are getting or not? Samita and what Padma result. Come on, guys.
Yeah.
Yes, Ravi. Right. Correct.
Got it.
Okay, good. So let's see that next one. Okay. Okay. So now what is that start with? Okay, start with means what, guys? Here what we will do now? Start with also there, right? Here what is that? End with we are taking and start with also there, right? Start with means what? The letter, first letter matching letter. Okay, will come. Okay, so come here, come in the repository. Okay, so no, just what we will do now here, end with is there. Now remove this one and make this one as what? Start with. Here what is that? Start with. Okay, start with. Okay, so what is that? Start with what? Start with what? Which one we will take now? Let's take yes. Okay, so if we are taking yes only, so only one record is matching now, right? Only one record is matching. So what we will get now, guys? What is our expected result now, guys? Come on.
One record. So
Only one record. So there we will get. Okay, so what we will take now here? Let's take only one. Yes. Now run the application. Yeah, two record we are getting. So there Samita, two record is
Was
there.
starting with yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes.
so there
Yeah.
and Samita, two
Yeah.
record is there. Because of that we are getting two record. Come on.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir. Correct.
Okay, good. So let's take another one is also counting also there na. Start with, end with, not like these things we learn, right? After then what is that? Counting also there, right guys? Come on. Sorry, containing also there, right? Come on.
Yes, yes, Ravi, continue.
Yes, sir.
Okay, containing means what, guys? Means what? Containing means what? In the, like, if we are taking, right, it will check all record. In the, what is that? A is there. Okay, those record we will get. Okay, H, if we put H, then it will check H in the name, right? Name. Only H there in the Sudhir, right? H, except that other name in the another name, not H there, right? So what result we will get? Only Sudhir record we will get or not? Come on, like operator only, right?
Yeah,
But
only one record, yes.
only
Correct.
only one record we will get, guys. Okay, only one record is we will get now. So come here, okay, come here. So what we will do now? Just in this only, what we will do? Just copy this one, copy this one, copy this one, and come here. And here start with, just make this one what? Content, and come here. Paste it, right? Paste it. Okay, so come here. Okay, so H, only H, let's take H only, right? Here, come here. Okay, now let's run the application. We will see only one record. See this? Only Sudhir we are getting, because in the Sudhir letter between what is anywhere in the name, anywhere H is there, that record we will get. Now Sudhir we are getting or not, guys? Come on.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so now you, if you want to say, just take A. Okay, I'm taking what? A. Okay, A I'm taking. Then we will get multiple record now, guys. Here I'm taking A. Now right click and run. See this? All A my content record we are getting or not, guys? Come on.
Yes, yes.
And Sudhir we are not getting,
Correct, correct.
because in the Sudhir
Yes.
there is no A is there, right? Come on.
Yes, Ravi, got it. It's clear.
Okay, so I think I covered all one or two is there, guys. Live is only you people also do the practical. Okay, you people only one or two. I think everything I distinguish. These things are only except that I cover
we will-
everything.
We will do
Everything,
that, Ravi.
everything I covered now, guys. Okay. Okay, guys. So
Yes.
now let's perform projection, right? Here you people told, right? And now let's perform what? Select only single record now, guys. Okay. Let's perform what? Only single record only. Okay. So in the same only. Okay. So let's take 10 to 20-minute break, guys. After then we will complete the data JPA. I think near about is still 1 or 2, 1 or 2 hour it will take. Okay. If you ready, then we will continue. Otherwise, I can stop it also now. Come on, guys.
No, Ravi, please carry on. Please continue.
Because the next discussion is our what? Date and time, and what is that? Blob and the club insertion is there now, guys.
Yeah, please continue, Ravi.
Yeah, if you were if you continue, definitely we will attend the.
Yeah, actually, let's take what is that 10-minute break. Okay, guys, 10 to 20-minute break. Okay, 5:50 is happening now here, and we will connect what 6:10 again. Okay, 20 minutes. Let's take break and we will continue the session.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.